This is Joey's new Hex Bug Arena.
Stop talking.
Stop talking.
No, shush. There's my bug going haywire. Joey's bug. Emily's bug.
There's bug.
Sheeps.
Oh, my cheek.
He's got 2 bugs. Ah! Who's the first one down? Emily's bug.
That one. Your bug is down.
Don't worry. It's like having a seizure.
And it flipped over.
Whoop.
I'm like,
These two
die!
bugs are really getting along.
Hex bugs are all the rage.
They're not real bugs. Ah, my bug! And it's
Fall?
going the other way.
Your bug hasn't left its arena yet?
It hasn't known one way or another.
Being safe. There's nothing wrong with that. Hey, and your bug died. And now it's my bug.